Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-MAX4700 audio system stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this audio system is not connecting to something, or if it seems to be not responding to button pushes or not responding in some other way, or just not working right for any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. And the second reason you're going to want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get everything cleared off of it, the memory and everything settings cleared back to its out-of-the-box defaults from the factory, we can do that really easily. All we need to do is unplug the unit to start with and then just leave it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. Once it's been unplugged for at least 3 minutes, we're just going to come in and find the power button and press and hold the power button. And while pressing and holding the power button, we're going to go ahead and plug it back in. Just keep holding the power button, keeping an eye on the display. Once the display shows up dash, 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 just a bunch of dashes across the display, the reset is complete, which means you can let go of the power button and then go ahead and set this up as a new device.